In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize HubSpot forms. Whether you're a business owner looking to gather more leads or a marketer aiming to improve user engagement, understanding how to efficiently create forms in HubSpot can be a game changer for your business. So let's get started and navigate through the process smoothly. First, you want to go to the HubSpot website. Now, if you're unfamiliar with HubSpot, it's a versatile tool that offers numerous features to boost and organize your business activities online. Once you're on their homepage, locate the login button, usually positioned at the top right corner. Clicking on this will prompt you to enter your login details. And if this is your first time logging in, make sure you've got those credentials handy. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home. This acts as your central command hub, where you'll likely notice various icons and options. From here, direct your attention to the marketing option in the top navigation bar. It's typically situated between other core tools like sales and operations. Clicking on marketing will open up a drop-down menu with several options related to your marketing endeavors. In the drop-down menu, you'll see forms. This is where the magic happens. Click on forms and this action will lead you to the forms dashboard. Here you can manage all the forms you've previously created or choose to start a new one. To initiate creating a form, look for the Create Form button. This is your entry point to building a brand new form tailored to your needs. Clicking on Create Form will guide you through the process of designing your form. If at any point you wish to view or edit any of your existing forms, simply choose the Back to All Forms option. This will take you back to see all your available forms, ensuring you can switch between creating new and editing existing ones seamlessly. Once you've created or selected a specific form to personalize, hit the Edit button. Editing is where you can customize fields, add new questions, and ensure the form aligns with your branding. Remember, the more intuitive and user-friendly your form is, the more likely users will complete it. While editing, consider the flow of questions, the necessary fields, and make sure it's a reflection of the information you wish to gather from your users. By following these steps, you're well on your way to effectively utilizing HubSpot's form building features. This will not only enhance user interaction on your website, but also streamline your data collection process. So go ahead, explore the possibilities with HubSpot Forms, and watch as it helps you elevate your business outreach and customer engagement. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide makes your form building journey a breeze.